My name's Fflur Roberts and I'm 18 years old. I live on a family farm in Llangedfan, based in Mid Wales. It's a hill farm running speckled-faced sheep. The flock is a March lambing flock, so they start lambing at the beginning of March to the beginning of April. I help here at home lambing on the farm along with my brothers and parents. By going to social clubs such as Young Farmers and developing stock judging, entering different competitions, my ability and my knowledge of the industry has grown. I applied for the Agri Academy Junior programme in April 2016, which then led on to an interview where I had to create a product and make a presentation about that product to the panel of judges on the day in Mentor a Business. Networking was a key element to the junior programme group. At such a young age, you got to meet ambassadors and people that work within the industry. During the 12 months of being in the Agri Academy, we visited North Wales, South Wales and Ireland. Within these trips we got to meet business owners, went on farm tours. All these trips were a great eye-opener, but going over to Ireland, speaking to farmers over there, it was a great way of seeing their culture of agriculture building to compare with ours over here in Wales. I would recommend the Agri Academy programme to any young individual from a farming background or not, because where the Agri Academy has now put me is unbelievable. It has really opened my mind. If you are within that age group bracket, apply for the Agri Academy. Do not hesitate. It is an honour to have been a part of it.